Hey friends, just recording this video to walk you through the process of setting up Microsoft Authenticator for Microsoft 365. Oftentimes when we're creating a brand new Microsoft 365 account for you, or if you have an old one and we've had to turn on multi-factor authentication after the fact, when you log in, you're going to be prompted to set up some additional security features. This video is going to walk you through step by step exactly what that looks like. We will timestamp in the video in YouTube the stages of the process, but I strongly encourage you to watch all the way through and follow along. All right, so to get started, we're going to want to open up our favorite web browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but you can go ahead and use Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever you normally use to browse the internet. Now we're going to go up to our URL bar here and we're going to type in portal.office.com and press enter. And doing that's going to bring us to the Microsoft sign-in page here. Now today we are going to be Miriam. And so Miriam's going to type in her email right there. We're going to click next. And then we're going to type in Miriam's password. Now this will be, if you've been using Microsoft 365 up until now, this will be the password you've been using all along, or this will be the initial password you were given when your account was set up. So the next step that we're going to see is Microsoft is going to let us know that we need to help them protect our account. Microsoft has enabled security defaults to keep your account secure. You can click here to learn more, but what we're actually going to do is going to click next. After doing that, this is going to load up the next web page where it's going to walk us through setting up Microsoft Authenticator. So as the guide tells us, we need to start by getting the app. So on our phone, we need to install the Microsoft Authenticator app. Clicking download now here is going to take us to another website that will show us some QR codes and some links to get the app from either Google Play or the Apple App Store. We're going to come back over here, and I'm actually going to bring up a phone, and we're going to show you on here downloading the Authenticator app from the Google Play Store. So of course I opened up Google Play. Up here we're going to search for Microsoft Authenticator. Now I've searched for it on here before, so it's already in my suggestions. One of the things that I want you to watch for is that you are downloading the app that comes from Microsoft Corporation. That's very important to make sure that we're not getting any lookalike apps or spoof apps. So we need Microsoft Authenticator from the Microsoft Corporation, and the icon should look like this. So let's go ahead and click install. While that's installing, we'll just bring you up here so we can see our phone and our web browser side by side. This is almost done installing, so we can come over here and look, and it says after you install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device, choose next. So let's click next. All right, so Microsoft Authenticator is done installing. So we're going to click open. And then if we look on the web browser, it says, if prompted, allow notifications. And you can see on our phone, we have been prompted. So we're going to click allow. Here you can just click accept. And now the web browser also says, then add an account and select work or school. So on our phone, we're going to click add work or school account. Now clicking next, it says, use the Microsoft Authenticator app to scan the QR code. So now on the Authenticator app, we're going to click scan a QR code. In order to scan the QR code, we do need to allow it to use the camera. So we're going to click allow only this time. And then you're going to point your phone at your screen so it sees the QR code. And it is going to activate. Now this app lock means that in order for it to be, anytime the app is open, it's going to want to use either your phone PIN code or your fingerprint. So I'm just going to click OK there. Okay, so now that we have scanned the QR code, we can click next on the web browser. And what this is now going to do is it's going to send a test approval. So you can see on the phone, it says approve sign in. So then we'll tap approve. And because of that app lock, it's going to ask for my fingerprint. And you can see now that we have approved it on the phone, it says notification approved on the web browser, and we can click next. And we've added Microsoft Authenticator. So then we can click done. And now Miriam is being asked to update her password. We had reset her password for her. So now we're going to enter in her old password and then a new password in both of these spots. And we're going to click sign in. Now this is a computer that Miriam uses all the time, so she can click stay signed in. If you're doing this on a computer that you don't always sit at, or you're borrowing a computer, I would suggest clicking no. But we're going to click yes. And now Miriam is here with her Microsoft Office portal, and she can access Outlook, Teams, Word, PowerPoint, and everything glorious that comes with Microsoft 365. I really hope that was helpful for you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you have any questions that weren't answered, feel free to comment below. Or if you already work with Logos IT Solutions, feel free to submit a help request and we will reach out to you. If you don't work with Logos IT Solutions for all of your IT needs, feel free to email sales@logositsolutions.com and we'll have a conversation about how we can help you with your Microsoft 365, business continuity, phone systems, anything IT. Also, feel free to like and subscribe, feed the YouTube algorithm. It only helps us all. Thanks.